In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a list to HubSpot. This process is straightforward and can save you a lot of time when you're managing contacts or data in HubSpot. So let's get started with this step-by-step guide. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the HubSpot website. This is your central hub for accessing the multitude of tools HubSpot offers, from marketing resources to sales solutions. Once on the homepage, look to the top right corner for the login button. Click on this to proceed to the login page where you'll need to enter your credentials. If your browser has saved your login details from a previous session, it may autofill these fields for you. Otherwise, manually input your username and password and then hit login. After you've successfully logged into your HubSpot account, you'll find yourself at the HubSpot home dashboard. This is the main area where you can access all your business tools, campaigns, and analytics. Once here, cast your gaze toward the navigation bar. Look for the option labeled CRM, which stands for Customer Relationship Management. Clicking on this will guide you to the CRM page that houses all your contact and company information. Next, you'll want to direct yourself to the Lists feature. This is essential as it helps in organizing and managing your contacts efficiently, allowing for segmenting based on interactions, demographics, or any custom criteria you may have. Spot the Lists tab and give it a click. Now, within the list section, you should see an import button. Select this option to start the process of adding your new list to HubSpot. Following the selection of import, the system will prompt you to choose how you want to import your data. Since we're focusing on adding a list, you'll want to click on Import a File. At this stage, you should be prepared with the file you plan to upload. Make sure your file is formatted correctly, typically as a CSV, so it's compatible with HubSpot's data integration. Once selected, the system will guide you step by step through the process of mapping fields. This is where you'll match the columns from your file to the fields in HubSpot. Pay careful attention during this stage to ensure that all the data aligns correctly, as this will impact how effectively you can use the information later. And that's it, you have successfully imported a list into HubSpot. This process allows you to manage and leverage data more effectively, enhancing your marketing and relationship management efforts. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more videos for other HubSpot tips and tricks. Happy organizing!